So the first thing I would definitely mention is there has to be an awareness. There has to be a realization, and this realization can either come through experience, it can come through education, um, or it could come from advice, statistics, and hardcore data and facts, which has proven to suggest that white economies cannot, will not, and do not support the progress of the colored masses. And to be fair, neither is it their responsibility. They have enough intelligence to look out for themselves, and this is the same. This is the type of thinking that I think is very crucial to colored communities within America, to really understand the importance of actually building families, building communities, and this is one absent level of thinking. I would say this is one absent level of knowledge that has pre-existed. And still has effects till this day, that for as long as you keep spending your hard-earned dollar on trying to impress the white capital, you will realize that you as a colored person, you are only getting worse and worse, while they are benefiting and perhaps even getting greater. So it is the lack of the fact that I would say colored people, especially within America, have lacked the capability and the overall status, or perhaps not status, but ability to collaborate and to actually educate the current pressing subject matters. And this is the only thing that I would say would bring about a positive change.